Hi friends, it's Diana here. Today's video is about addition. If you are new to my videos, please consider to subscribe to get more learning videos with me. Adding 3-digit numbers using regrouping. Sometimes you need to regroup numbers when you add. It's very easy. Here are some tips before we start. Tip 1. Line up the numbers vertically. Tip 2. Make sure you know your place values. That is ones column, tens column and hundreds column. Tip 3. When the sum of each column is greater than 9, we need to carry forward the 1. Let's see an example. We add 847, that is 847, to 387, that is 387. Step 1. First what we do is we separate ones column, tens column and hundreds column. Step 2. Now we consider the ones column. We add these two numbers. 7 plus 7. The answer is 14. But we can't put this 14 in ones column because 14 is a 2-digit number. Remember I talked about this earlier. If the sum is greater than 9, we need to work out differently. What we do here is we take this 4 and put it in ones column beneath 7. And we take this 1 to the top of tens column. Step 3. Let's take a look at the tens column. Here we do the same thing. Add 4 plus 8. This gives us 12. Now here, it's little tricky. We should not ignore this 1. Remember, we got this from ones column. We need to add this 1 to 4 plus 8. Now the answer is 13. We can't put this 2-digit number under 8. We only put 3. And take the 1 to the next hundreds column and add it to the top. Step 4. Now let's look at the hundreds column. 8 plus 3 gives us 11. Make sure you add this top number 1. Now 11 plus 1 is 12. Can we put this 12 directly to the hundreds column? No. We can only put 1-digit number. That is 2. And the remaining 1 will go to the next column. Finally, we got the answer. 1234. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more learning videos.